This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Stacy Good. Luxury and convenience combined with the excitement of downtown city lights and the Elizabeth River Harbor activity. This is the result of combining 2 units and total renovation in 2014. Distinctive architectural features, hardwood floors, covered balconies and walls of floor-to-ceiling windows and doors, maximum sunlight. A double-doored entrance foyer easily accesses both formal and casual living spaces. The 5-star gourmet kitchen with center island accesses the breakfast room, a library/family and private office, pine-glassed French doors leading to the ultimate primary bedroom with private sitting area and complete with a spa-like bath, heated floors and towel warmer. Separate closets feature built-ins, 24 hours, concierge, 4 garage parking spaces, pool exercise, community room create a total environment. Dining room, chandelier does not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Good at 757-287-1943.